I'm Jason Hyson, Senior Technical Installation Specialist at Mannington. Today, I'll be guiding you through the installation of Mannington's patented one-piece luxury vinyl stair tread. SimpleStairs are a beautiful, durable, waterproof solution for staircases. SimpleStairs coordinate with Adora flooring products to create an exact match from floors to steps. We'll show, with the proper tools and know-how, just how simple it is to install this product. It is imperative to have the right tools. We'll use these materials: SimpleStair treads, packaged 2 per box, and a matching SimpleStair top set nosing. These tools are required: table saw, power miter saw, carbide tip fine cutting saw blades, triple stick high quality urethane adhesive, tape measure, jigsaw fine carbide blade, rubber mallet, stair tread template tool recommended, and MSS 20 Mannington standard sealer. The step must be clean. Remove any existing floor covering, remaining staples, adhesive, sealer, etc. The step must be porous, sound, dry, and free from any uneven surfaces. This is critical to ensure a proper bond between the step, triple stick adhesive, and SimpleStairs stair tread. Step 2. Measure. Measure the length and depth of each individual existing step. Each step could be slightly different. For best results, we find it helpful to use a stair tread template tool. See Tools section. Width measurement is side to side. Depth measurement is frontal bullnose to riser. Rip cut the tread to the appropriate depth. Note, if the existing nose measurement is less than the new tread nose, trim the bottom of the new tread nose. Step 3. Transfer length measurement. Transfer your measurement to the SimpleStair tread. Be careful to make accurate transfer marks. Cut the new luxury vinyl tread to a net fit. Check the fit of the cut stair tread. The new tread nose should fit snug against existing nosing. Verify by measurement for a precise fit. Be certain the depth measurement is from inside of the new tread nose to riser. Be certain to leave an identifier for each tread to ensure accuracy on each step measurement. Step 4. Install the tread. It is recommended to work from the top step down to avoid working on newly installed tread. Once new tread is cut, check for fit prior to permanent installation. Apply several beads of Mannington triple stick adhesive to the back of the tread or to existing step, using a 1/4 inch bead. It is also important to place a bead up inside of the SimpleStair curved nosing. Install the step in place and slide tight against existing nosing. A rubber mallet can be used to tap the tread in place against the existing nose and new tread surface to ensure proper bond to tread backing. It is important to be tight to nosing. Once installed, we recommend no foot traffic for 8 hours. Step 5. Riser. After treads are installed, carefully measure width and height of each riser. The riser height should be a net fit, not tight. Measure from the new tread surface to under new tread nosing. It is important for aesthetics and strength that the new riser is installed under new tread nose and on top of new step surface. While installing the risers, take care not to let the new tread move. If necessary, the riser can be installed as you go or the next day. Step 6. Top landing step nose. If the top of the staircase finished floor is floating, use our special design SimpleStairs top set nosing, which is designed as an overlap to allow for expansion. It may also require using the appropriate supplied shim to adjust the height for thicker flooring. The provided plastic shims are adhered to SimpleStair top set nosing using MSS 20 sealer. SimpleStair top set will be glued in place with Mannington triple stick adhesive. If the second floor or landing is a glued floor, the step nose can be flush mounted. The top riser should not be so tight as to push up the step nose. It should fit net, not tight. If the top landing has been squared off, you'll need to use our nose fill piece. MDF nose fill can be ordered separately. Note, the top landing step nose uses the standard MDF nose fill. This should be adhered to the landing prior to step install with Mannington triple stick adhesive and secured with a couple of brad or finish nails. Separate instructions for SimpleStairs top set nosing are on mannington.com/SimpleStairs. For current installation and maintenance instructions, product specifications, and other technical data, visit mannington.com/SimpleStairs or call 1-800-356-6787. Enjoy your new SimpleStairs.